blessings. Today is December the 11th, 2020. Making today's math for the day 11, which is knowledge, which reminds us of a few things. Firstly, again, knowledge is the building block of how we go from one degree to the next. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6, which is how it is the building block. And also, it is reminding us that this knowledge of self is not the only knowledge. So what we do is, when we come across knowledge and we learn something new, our brain automatically categorizes it, or puts it in a box that makes it easy to remember. But oftentimes, when this new knowledge comes in, we must not compare it, but steel sharpens steel. Any new knowledge must be put to the test against this knowledge of self. And when they both align, then 1 and 1 is 2, showing improving wisdom. Meaning, because wisdom is just knowledge applied, but you can apply the knowledge to other knowledge, if that makes sense. Also, today's letter would be H, which stands for he or her. Which I always thought it was funny how her and she both have he in it, and how he and she, it's he and her. However, those are two I'm guessing it's encapsulating all of it, because he is really paired with she, and her is really paired with him. So in the he and her, you really have he, him, her, and she. But this is really the he and her, if you ask me, is a reminder of the divine masculine and feminine, showing and proving equality. The total for today will be 18, which is knowledge, build and destroy, showing and proving, born. Meaning, that with this knowledge as the building block for, or the tool that we use to build, that is to add on to the cipher, or to destroy, which is to take away from the cipher, because some things just aren't for you, in which case they must be destroyed. knowledge of, like, the awareness or the knowledge of the fact that you can build or destroy, meaning you play a hand in your own cipher, in your own world, in your own universe. The knowledge of the fact that you can build and destroy shows and proves born or manifestation, meaning that when you know that you play a hand in what is being built and destroyed, then you know whatever is made manifest is also a result of your own hand, which is this whole knowledge of self and taking accountability and awareness for actions. That's really it, though. Again, peace to all who wish to build. The just a So I plan on doing a class. I tried to do one as soon as I seen that it was possible to do one, which I don't think I gave anybody enough time to see it and sign up and decide that it was something that they want to do. But starting off every Saturday and maybe every Saturday and Wednesday, I will be doing a class on the Supreme Mathematics, also on the Supreme Alphabet. Excuse me. It is $199. I changed the price just to make it that much more accessible. If you want this knowledge and think that you need a guide, which I don't personally think you need. But I think it definitely makes it easier to have an enlightener, and that is the way that it was taught when it's in its conception. So again, if you want to build and you want to join the class, I'll put the link in the description to the event. It is a Facebook Live event. The way it's set up or the way it allowed me to set it up, let me know that you don't have to have a Facebook to join the Facebook Live session. I do plan on doing a Q&A. It's just Supreme Mathematics. I call it 101 just because I want to just really go over the basics. I'm going to try not to get too in-depth. And maybe I'll do a 102 and a 103 and see how we can build and apply these mathematics and be able to recognize them. But the 101 will just be like an introductory course to what each number or what each pictograph is said to embody, the energy that comes with that number. And I will also, it really should be Supreme Applied Mathematics, because I'm not necessarily going to do it exactly the way, like the way I will correlate it, which is funny, that word. I'm just finish the statement. The way I will correlate it will be to things that are outside of this school of thought. Because again, although I would consider myself a practitioner, I would not denominate myself as a 5%er, although I do have a sister who is in this. And if you're seeing this, Nikki, please pull my card anytime you see me doing something that don't align with the essence of this tool that I choose to utilize myself. And I personally feel as though, considering it is a easily understandable representation of the natural forces and movements and processes of the mind and the human experience, especially when you have this knowledge of self. So, I can help anybody. My job here will be done. But again, like I say, if you want to join the class, the link will be in the description. It will be Saturday at 3. If you feel like this time is not a good time and maybe you work at 3, so you would never be able to make the 3 o'clock ones, then maybe I can do a second session on Sunday at a different time. I tried to pick something in the middle of the afternoon. But let me know. Feedback is always greatly appreciated, welcome, and warranted. So let's build, really. Peace.